October 20th, 2023. Man, you got your Ford F250 XL FJB edition. We got the fuel leak, another fuel leak down here. Oh, man, I crawled under here already. I figured out what it was. It's this coupling or union, and the number on that is 800193. It's a Doorman part. You get two of them for pack for like $12 if you use your discount card at the local store. Anyways, there it is. And that little sucker is up here behind the fuel tank, but it still smells like gas down here, so I pulled the fuel filter off of this line, and then this line runs back up here between the tank and the frame, behind the frame here, and you can see that little union up in there, and that's where it's leaking. So I got to pull that off of there, and then bug in my face, got to put the union back on the plastic piece and slide it back in there onto that. And well, I'm gonna have to clean off that steel tube in there too, make sure it makes a nice tight fit or a good seal, whatever. Yeah, now that I'm looking at it, you know what? I think that's the same one that was leaking before. I don't know. I think I didn't replace it. I just wiggled it around and it sealed, because that tube goes way inside. Oh wait, that tube goes way inside the other plastic line. But back here is where it needs to seal. It's got a little corrosion or something on there. So I'm going to polish that off and put the new coupling union on there. Alright, there it is right there. That's the stinker. That's the end that I got to replace. This is where it goes onto the fuel filter more by the transmission. Oh great, I dropped that in the dirt again. Okay, so we'll clean that off one more time. I just got to get this end off over here. See how faded and ugly that is? Probably corroded. But I think this one over here is where it's leaking, so I'm going to put that on. I don't know if, yeah, I think you can see in there. Obviously the one on the left is brand new. And the one on the right is the old corroded one. So you can see the nice fresh green seal in there. Hope I'm not covering up my microphone. You can see the nice green seal on the left one. And I'm not sure if you can see it. Oh, but there's a little fragment hanging off of the edge. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now you can see the edge. See that corroded edge in there? That's where the seal was leaking. So we'll get rid of that one, put this one on the new plastic end there, trimmed that off, polished off the steel tube down there. Going to slip that on, and probably for the first time ever, we're going to have completely sealed fuel line. Ta-da!